Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to share with you what to do about taking care of the flies. So you know that we have so many flies. Every families, they have dogs and cats and all kind of animals. And we have of course gardens that when they go out to do number one, number two, they collect flies. So to get rid of them, sometimes when you're doing barbecue outside or eating, you see flies are coming and it's irritating you. You get upset from it. So what it is every hardware stores, they sell fly trap, which, would you like to show this? Which is really helpful for everybody. If all of us, we do this, we get rid of the flies. So what it is this is the brand new one. It's closed like this. It shows you on top of it that there is a circle that you have to cut, and then you have to pull the attachment up. Let's see with my right hand. And all it is, you have to fill water. But before we fill the water, there is a little hook that you have to tie it up, something to hang to the tree or wherever, however you can. Any kind of wire, string that it's hard that you can, hold it. So what you do is you put water in it, and it shows you over here the line how much you have to fill. So from the top, you fill the water, and here we reach to the line. So what it is it has really bad odor, bad smell. The first day you don't really smell it, but the flies, they do. What you do is you hang under the tree or wherever you want. And I guarantee you that so many flies traps it will go in. I want to show you one over here which I did yesterday, and you will see how much fly collected in, which is really disgusting, but it's good for environment to get rid of them. After it fills up, what you do is all the black, you see it's fly. When you see this bag nice and clean, and that's the flies, what you do is after it's filled up or you got tired of it, just close it, put in a bag and throw it in a trash. Like you see over here, my dogs are running and playing. I have over here like chickens, which I showed you last time, that they eat, and their manure, their dirt is very good for the garden, but you know that the flies will come. So this is the best way to get rid of the flies. And you will enjoy your barbecue outside, your food, your company. You can leave your doors, windows open, but it will get rid of the flies. So I hope you'll try this, and I hope everybody does it so we can get rid of all the flies. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll do that. Bye-bye.